Hi, I'm Andy.
And I'm Lauren, and we're here today to show you how to put together the Indi full-size bed. We suggest you use a mallet like this, which you can actually find on our website for sale, or
You can use the rubber hammer top that we send to put on a household hammer.
ready? Here we go.
First, lay down your headboard side and your side rail to attach. Line up the green connectors and press down to lock into place. You can use your hammer if you need a little help. Grab your hardware and place the white bracket over the holes, and then take your screw and washers and place them in the holes. Then take your Allen key and use that to screw all the pieces into place. Repeat on the other side.
Next step is to lean your fully assembled side rail up against a wall and grab your friend who can bring in the headboard. Next step is line up the slots to the green connectors on your side rail and push in.
Once everything is lined up, push down to lock into place. If you need some help, you can use your mallet.
On the other side, repeat the same steps. Next up, grab your center stretcher and align it with the remaining hole.
Have one person hold the stretcher in place while the other gets the footboard.
Line up all the green connectors with the open slots. Once you get them into place, push down to lock.
Once all your panels are in place and the holes are lined up with the green connectors, press down to lock into place.
Then grab your mattress, make your bed, and you're done.